Oh, this is a little bit off topic. So, this is a adding machine, or more specifically, the Star Adding Machine by Todd Protectograph Co. The reason why I'm putting this on foam is, I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but this thing kind of litters sand out its bottom, and I have not finished cleaning it yet because I haven't particularly had the time to do that. Anyway, yeah, so this was $40 at a thrift store. So, it is fully functional, and I did already do a tiny bit of cleaning on it, just on the dials, and it is very interesting. So, yeah, you literally just like select which number you want to add. So this is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. This down here is just kind of a stop tab to make sure that it stops where it's supposed to stop. And when you want to add a number, just select the number you want to add, and it'll just keep on adding to it. So if I wanted to add 1, now it's 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And you can just keep going up, and it'll keep adding. Sometimes it does get a little bit stuck, but why is it subtracting? I think it got jammed. And okay, so this is for reset. Yeah, I definitely got a little bit jammed there. Come on. There we go. So 9. And if you wanted to use like decimal points, it's a completely fixed point machine. So there's 3 different decimal points that you can work with here. So right now it is working properly. Also, I want to say this thing is kind of a finger destroyer. These tabs are metal, and they are not particularly the most comfortable to work with. But yeah, you can see that it's adding pretty reliably right now. Let's reset it again. That likes to get stuck there. These buttons up here are to prevent the carry from coming across. So if I wanted to do 9 plus 9, that's, well, 0.9 plus 0.9, that's 1.8. But now if I wanted to do the same thing, but without doing that, I can do 9 plus 9, and now there's no carry there, and you get 0.8. And that hold function is how you do subtraction. So if I wanted to subtract 1 from, say, 10, then I would do the 9's complement. So I'm not sure if you can see it very well here, but there is small numbers next to the big numbers there. And those are the complemented numbers for wherever you want to start. So if I wanted to do 10 minus 1, then I'm going to hold the carry here, if I remember correctly. Yeah, okay. So I do that to subtract 1 there. So that's held the carry now. And now from there, I have to enter every single leading 0 from there on. So here, I now add 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And now 10 minus 1 is 9. If I wanted to do that in a different position, say I wanted to do 9.0, and then I wanted to subtract maybe, say, let's say that I wanted to subtract 2 from, or let's see, 0.0002 from 9.0, then I would need to use the number legends from this side, which start from 1 rather than starting from 0, and just use the legends from this for wherever I want to start. And apologies for the video suddenly cutting off there. I bumped the power button on my phone. So if I wanted to do 9.0 whatever minus 0.002, then 1, 2, 0, 0, 2. So I'm going to do that. And carry it all across. 9.00 or 9 point whatever all the way down zeros minus 0.002, 8.998, and that's accurate. So once again, just doing the same thing again because that was a little bit convoluted and honestly a little bit more than messy. I hold here, or actually I don't even need to hold there, so I just use the 2's complement, 8, 9, 9, and then just carry the 1 across until it gets carried out of existence. And now you have 8.998, reset, and you can see it's still very gummed up. If you wanted to save your progress, so let's say that we had 99.079, this is how you save your progress. Now nobody can change your values or reset it or anything. And if you want to undo that, then you just press this button here, because this would technically be holding this place value, but it's not like you really have anything to hold for carry because there's no carry in coming from that side. So you press that, and now that unlocks. Otherwise it's locked and you cannot remove it. Machine in use, do not operate. So flip this back. Now you can change it to whatever you want. Let's say 8, 9, 2, or 5 minus, let's say minus 0.00003. So just go all the way across, carry the 1 out of existence. And now we got 0.89497. I don't even remember what the number originally was, so I'm just going to trust that that's correct. I did not pay attention. So yeah, that's the star adding machine, and I definitely need to clean it up still because it's still going to be leaking sand. I'm pretty sure that's leaked sand down here. Yeah, it's leaked a little bit of sand down there. I don't know why it's filled with sand, but there's 2 things inside it. Well, 3 things inside it. Gears, dust, and sand. Well, I guess 4 things. Dried grease.